Hey guys, this is Bill with Chicken Fried, and if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you purchased my brisket wrap. And you may notice it's got little floaties in there. Let's see, I don't know, see if I can make our little floaties, but the floaties that are in this, don't think it's spoiled, don't think it's rotten. It's actually beef tallow that is solidified. The bottle's filled hot with tallow and a bunch of other stuff, but once it actually cools down, the beef tallow solidifies, and you'll see little floaties right there. You can, yeah. So, yeah, don't be alarmed if you see floaties. It's supposed to be that. That's kind of the magic in the product. But man, don't trust me. Go to my Facebook group, Chicken Fried Tribe, and you'll see people from all over the country winning and scoring. Man, we walked some of the biggest stages in barbecue with this one. So we're going to show you how we use it. So we're going to take one bottle, shake it up, pour it into here, and you'll see some little floaties in there. We're going to take a box of beef broth. This is just regular beef broth from your grocery store. So we've got our point here. This is our point. We separate in competition. I mix this up. Again, all my beef broth is there. So we've got our point and we've got our flat. This is the way we do it in competition. We separate. And I'll take that mixture and I'll just kind of split some between here and there. And you can see the little floaties. I want the little floaties. Get in there. There we go. I'll put most of it in here with the flat. Right there, get in there. So that's what we've got. I'll wrap them in foil and then we'll put them back on the pit. Anyway, thanks for giving it a shot, and look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group.